أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, I am Abdul Samad and you are watching FARIS MALIK YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video I will share with you how to make a child pious. What is the dua for making a child worshipper? Basically, this is the dua of Prophet Ibrahim Alaihis salam for Salah. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء. Read again. رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء. Read its translation. O my Lord, make me one who performs as-salah, ikamat as-salah, means prayer, and also from my offspring, our Lord, and accept my invocations, my dua, my supplications. This is taken from the surah number, chapter number 14 and verse number 40. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon button, and if you like the video, please do like, comment and share with your friends so that they also be informed, benefited. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.